What's up, beautiful people? Today I have the April premium box. This is actually my not PR box, so this is the one that I pay for myself. It's $35 a month, and we're gonna go ahead and jump in. This month's theme was sweet treats, and my box number is 238 now that I know how to read this thing. So I said in my previous video, but just so you guys know, it's 21 for the year, 04 for the month, and then the last 3 digits are basically your box number, and then the last 2 letters are if it's a premium box, a luxe box, a base box. And thank you to all the people who wrote that on my other video, because that helped me so much. Okay, so the first thing in here is the iconic London Sunset to Sunrise eyeshadow palette. This is $62. It's a gorgeous palette, and let me show you guys what it looks like. It's got a big mirror, which I don't like when there's a floppy mirror. I rather just not have one if it's not gonna, like, you know what I mean? Anyways, but look at how gorgeous these shades are. The formulation of these eyeshadows are absolutely gorgeous. The shimmers go on so pigmented, really nice quality. And the mattes as well blend out seamlessly. So very gorgeous palette. And now I have a second one, so either I'll put this in a giveaway for you guys or give it to a friend. We'll see what I am going to do. I've been accumulating quite a few products right now. And next thing in here is the Nars blush. This is $30. This was my choice for my premium box, and I got the shade, yeah, I got the shade Deep Throat. What the hell? So I really enjoy Nars blushes. They have this matte packaging. I remember it used to be like, that was like, it was the jam back in the day. So I'm gonna go ahead and just try this on real quick. And this is Deep Throat. This was one of my all-time favorite colors. It's a gorgeous like coral shade. So I remember using this like crazy, but I never hit pan, and I had it for so many years that I went ahead and just got rid of it from my collection. So as soon as I saw that that was one of the choices, I jumped on it. So that's what Deep Throat looks like, and I have no idea why it's called that, because I don't know what happened there. Whoever was like getting a little, you know. But to be honest, that's actually good marketing, because I remember people were like goo gaga over their whole orgasm collection as far as Nars goes, because people were like, ooh, orgasm. So that is $30. And then the next thing in here is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer, and this is $32, and this is in soft matte. So this is my second bottle. I actually got one in my PR box, and I had already had one that I had bought myself, and the pump got damaged. So I am definitely going to be giving that one away, because now I have way too many of these primers. This smells like this baby powder smell. People say vanilla, but to me it's almost like baby powder. I love the smell of Fenty products. They all have more or less that same kind of smell to them. This Pro Matte, I really like it, because even if you have dry skin, you can use it. It's not too mattifying where it's like extreme, and it's just a really nice primer. So now I have one to give to a friend or to do a giveaway with, and that is $32. Next thing in here is the Incredible Cosmetics Crystal Ball Roller. And this is what this looks like. I'm not even gonna open this. There was a subscriber of mine who wrote in the comments that she was hoping to get one for her and her daughter, and I told her to keep me posted, because if not, I will send you this. So if you didn't get it, let me know. I wish I had written her name or something, but hopefully she will reach out to me. But it actually has like the little crystals in there. It's actually the lip gloss that I have on right now. So basically they have like the stones in there, and you have the pink, what is this called? Okay, It's not called pink anything. This is called rose quartz, and this one is amethyst, and one of them is to find love and the other one to heal yourself. It's supposed to give you like a good chakra. A lot of people believe that stones have like these healing effects, or like these effects on your body and your chakra and your mind and stuff like that. So these are really cute, and it's just basically, like, as you can see on my lips, just basically a clear gloss, and those are worth $24. Next thing in here is the Tarte Double Take eyeliner. This is $24. I have gotten this previously in a few boxes, whether it be other subscription boxes or Boxycharm, and sadly this just isn't for me. I do already have this? Or I think I got rid of it. Yeah, I actually got rid of it. One side is okay, it was like an okay liner, and then this side is a velvet tip, and I'm not into velvet tips. It's just personal preference. So I'd rather give it away to one of you guys and have you guys actually be able to use it, and that's $24. And the last thing in here we're going to go ahead and try on. This is the Dose of Colors eyeliner, and this is in the shade Sketch, which I don't mind having another one. The formula of this is really nice. The other one that I got in my what's it called, in my PR box was the green one, and this is like a dark brown. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some to my waterline. Yeah, super pigmented, really nice quality. So those were all the products in my premium box. Let me know what you guys think. I think it's a really great box, obviously for me, because I get the public relations box. I already got some of these in that box, which I don't mind. Sometimes I get two completely different boxes, and sometimes I get very similar ones. So this time around I got very similar ones, and I'm okay, because when I get extra stuff like that, I like to give back to friends, family, or do giveaways for you guys, so I will put them to use. Anyways, let me know what you guys thought of this box, of my not PR box. It's almost like identical except for this eyeliner. Everything else is the same as in my PR box. How was yours? What was your choice? I'd love to hear from you down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. If you're not subscribed, hit that little red button around there, and also you can follow me on my social media below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.